everyone, Railfan 525. We are here in Palestine, Illinois. I got a little bit of a hunch to come out and try and chase down the Pally 2 train over here on INRD. And I got lucky, they're just now finishing up doubling their train at the Palestine yard. You can see it's off over there. They're going into the yard now to, I think they're going to swap power, but I'm not 100%. They've got a cut of grain cars deleted behind those intermodals, so we'll get a good look at what they've got lashed up right now. This is going to be a long one, so we'll chase it from Palestine over to Robinson. I may end up going to Oblong, but we'll see how I'm feeling. I'm a little bit tired and I've got to wake up tomorrow for work, so we'll see what this night brings us. A little bit of Indiana Railroad action tonight. There's probably 20-30 grain cars they've got right here right now, so not sure what the status of these are. They look like they're all empty. It just had a grain train spotted from CN that I had missed, but here we got the power coming. We're going to get a good look at what they've got lashed up. I hope it's something cool. Looks like it's just going to be their two GP38s. SD90 Max are. Let me know in the comments if you guys like commentating on these videos. Looks like there's a screen up there. Swap power, but I'm not 100% sure. We'll stand by for a minute. Alrighty, here we are at basically King Street under the LED lighting. For those of you still watching, I've created a unique map on Google Earth that plots all of my favorite locations, along with Game Train Productions' favorite railroad locations for nighttime photos and video. If you guys want to check that out, I'll try and get the link in the description for you. Basically, I've got a map where I pinpointed all the spots where you can get good nighttime shots. This one included. This is here in Robinson, Illinois, King Street. Nice LED lighting behind me. As you can see, it's about as good as you could ask for as a rail fan. This is about the perfect place to watch a train at night. You get great lighting. Those of you familiar with the channel have seen me film here probably over 50 times, to be honest. Speed limit's 30. Looks like he's starting to pick it up. They had a slow order at Gordon Junction. Pretty much from here on to Newton for the interchange with CN is 40 miles an hour. So those little GP38s are going to be working hard to pull this long train. That's a lot of meat for those two small ones. They're going to have to keep their speed up through the Stoy bottoms. those of you that are watching, Illinois Central Productions is a few roads to the west of here also filming this train. So if you guys want to check out his channel, he'll have this one up as well. So thanks for watching, guys. This is as far as I'm going to chase it tonight, since there's really nothing special on it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this weekend we're going to be chasing the Santa train if I can manage to wake up. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.